Hey there, guys, it's Shawn. You're about to unlock the secrets to not just changing your game, but absolutely transforming your life. You ready? Let's dive right into how you can turn your dreams into your everyday reality. It's time to level up your learning, earning, and your living. So let's get to it. First off, let's talk big money moves. I'm not here to talk about those tiny raises that barely make a dent in your bank account. Aiming for the stars where your yearly salary becomes what you pull in a month. Imagine that your current annual paycheck in your account every single month. Sounds wild, right? It's very much so doable. Start by setting ambitious income goals. Break down what skills or knowledge could catapult your earnings. Dive into books, online courses, or workshops will get you there. Remember, the rest of your mind and your wallet will follow. I'm about to hit you with a truth bomb right now. Only thing standing between you and your dreams is knowledge. That's right. Everything you want is on the other side of what you don't know. Identify one area you feel could really boost your life if you knew more about it. Could be investing, coding, public speaking, anything. Dedicate at least 30 minutes a day to learn more about it. Power and knowledge, my friend. Now, let's take a quick history trip. From farming lands to industrial giants to the tech wonders. The world has shifted a whole lot. Every era had its winners, and guess what? They were always the ones who adapted and learned the quickest. Stay curious about the world and trends in technology and business. Use platforms like LinkedIn Learning, Coursera, or even YouTube to stay ahead. Remember, the future belongs to the fast learners, the adapters. Let me get real with you. First step my toes into the digital world, I knew nothing about internet marketing. But I didn't let that stop me. I learned, applied, and guess what? Paid off big time for me. So pick a project, any project. Something you've been wanting to do, but you felt you lacked the skills for it. Break it down into steps. Learn each part and just start. Mistakes, learn some more. But whatever you do, don't stop. Now, my last point. It's a game changer. The gap between what you know and what you need to know is where the magic happens. It's all about getting that knowledge and then acting on it. Make a list of skills you believe are crucial for your growth. Plan to acquire them. Use apps to track your learning progress. And join communities push you to grow. Network can be your net worth. So there you have it, brothers. Your blueprint to transforming your income and your life. Remember, it's all about learning, adapting, and taking bold steps towards your dream. The power to make it happen. What you waiting for, man? Get to work. And let's make those dreams a reality. Stay motivated, stay hungry, and above all, stay learning. Till next time, keep pushing, growing, and never stop aiming for the star. If you like this video, drop me a like, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for your time today.